Okay, so in that last video, we looked at how we can insert shapes and change their color and things like that. And yeah, I think I'm liking this idea of using the animal in with the title. Okay, let's insert a new slide now and go blank. Now something we can do is we can copy this title idea that we've got going here and put into here. What we do is we click on it, but click on the title where it shows the 4 black arrows, like so. That means that you so click on the border bit going around it. Then we'll go and copy that. So that's this one, just here. Now we click on the slide 3 and then go paste. Now what we'll do is we'll now put it identically as it was in slide 2. Now this time instead of monkeys shapes, actually I should get rid of the S on that. Let's go to monkey text boxes. I realize I probably should change this as well, so I'll get rid of that. Okay, on monkey text boxes. Now we can insert 2 types of text boxes. The one that we've currently inserted is that we've inserted, if you click on this one, we've inserted text box which is known as a horizontal text box. And when we type stuff in, it keeps it going as we normally would expect in English. So I'm going to just type in stuff. Monkeys love text boxes. Okay, so you notice there that the writing's going this way, but we can actually change the direction of our text box. If we click on shapes, you'll notice that, oh sorry, I've gone to the total wrong area. Let's go back to insert. If we go to a text box and draw it in, now what you'll notice over here is where it shows text direction, we can actually click on that and change it to a different type of rotation. So say for example if I want to rotate it 90 degrees, you notice that now it's sort of changing on the side. So I'm going to write in the same thing, monkeys love text boxes, and you notice that it's a little bit strange writing that way. Now if I try and expand it out this way as I normally would, you'll notice it doesn't seem to do anything. But what happens is if we expand it out this way, it will now turn it into something like that. And now I can move using the 4 black arrows, I can move it over to somewhere else. And you can also muck around with some of the other text effects, let's say making it stacked or rotating it the other way. Anyway, add in a couple of different text boxes. Okay, moving on, just because I'm aware of the time. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this current slide, which means I want to copy everything in slide 3 and copy it into slide 4. And you see that now those 2 slides look exactly the same. What I'm going to do is I'm going to instead do monkey text boxes, we're going to say monkey word arts, like that. And now we'll get rid of these by clicking on them and press delete on your keyboard. And now to insert some word arts, we go insert and we go to word art over here and we can insert some stuff like this. And go monkeys, and I can move it over here. And again, you can muck around with the shape effects for this if you want, or you can go to different styles. And you can even get a little bit interesting, things like that. Let's just insert one more, like so. And again, experiment with the different types of styles that you see up here. Okay, lastly, we want to save this, so we'll go File, go Save. Now choose a place in your documents where you're happy to save it, and it should come up with the file name as your animal, and then we'll go Save. Alright, if you want to insert some other things, you could try and go to Insert and insert some pictures or some clip art, but we'll cover more of that next week. For the rest of the lesson, go through and insert some more word arts and text boxes and stuff like that. I hope I'm better next week, and I look forward to seeing you then. Have fun, guys.